Hi, thanks for trying TrackWrapped. It's a training diary built specifically for track and field athletes. This is your week. You can see all your workouts at a glance and click on any day to add a new session. Then you can pick your workout type. Sprints, weights, technique, whatever you trained. You can choose from this or make your own. Then rate the intensity. How hard did it feel from 1 to 10? And add your session details, like 8 times 60 meters, or squat 3 times 5 at 80 kilos. Write it however you want. Then hit save, and your workout shows up on your calendar. Now we can switch to monthly view to track the whole month and check your consistency. Everything works on mobile too, so you can log right after training while it's still fresh. This is it for the first version, so your feedback is super welcome. We're adding new features daily based on whatever athletes actually need.